Hello, my name is Lali. My pronouns are she, her. I just recently went through a whole hair transformation, and to me it was such a liberating experience, and it's become this very exciting journey of not only did I cut my hair, but I then started playing around with color, which I had never done or really thought that I could do. So I typically use this Strawberry Leopard. To me, this is like the easiest way to color your hair. And this is what it looks like. This is the color. I have a brush too. I love that it's pink. So I'll put some of my hair up. I like to section it into kind of like two parts. And really you don't have to mix anything or do anything. I just like to put it in here just because like it's easier for me to just get in there. I think the hardest part for me is the roots. So this helps me, and it smells so good. That's the one thing I'll say every time I use this. You would think like I color my hair a lot and like that it would be dry, but my hair is surprisingly the most hydrated it's ever been. Just like that, like through the tops of the hair, and then you can kind of split it apart with the same brush, which is why I like using these, is because you just like get in there and you can move the hair around and really find those spots that are hard to get with just your fingers. And then I just like to go in with my hands and just like really make sure that it's evenly on my hair. And this is really easy because it really just feels like you're putting in a deep treatment in your hair. So just run my fingers through it. Just when in doubt, just add more product is my way to do it. So now I'm just gonna let it sit for 20 minutes and then just rinse. This is what it looks like once I've rinsed it out of my hair. A lot brighter, feels fresher, smells great. This is it.